Hello, statistics students, Mr. Guzzato. If you look at this problem, which is number 1 from class, I want you to identify the explanatory variable and the response variable. And the intent of this question is for you to remember that the explanatory variable is on the horizontal axis, which in this case is body weight, and the response variable is on the vertical axis, which in this case is backpack weight. So the explanatory variable is body weight in pounds, and the explanatory variable is the person's backpack weight in pounds. If you look at problem number 3, the third goal of this problem is to make a prediction if someone weighs 140 pounds. So if we pull out our calculator, we want to use that least squares regression line. So we're going to type in the equation. So we would do 0.0908 times 140 plus 16.265, and when we hit enter, we'll get the estimated backpack weight to be 28.977 pounds. So if I were writing that down, y hat is 0.0908 times 140 plus 16.265, which is approximately 28.977 pounds. So if someone weighs, according to this data, 140 pounds, their backpack weighs approximately 29 pounds. And the last question here, what would you predict the backpack weight of a student that weighs 80 pounds? And the goal here is, if you look at this particular problem, the x values vary from roughly about 100 pounds to about a little over 180 pounds. So if someone weighs 80 pounds, this is called extrapolation. And we talked about in class that we do not want to extrapolate. So what would you predict the backpack weight of a student that weighs 80 pounds? I would say this is extrapolation. And we should not think the prediction is reliable. Now, we talked about in class that a lot of people will extrapolate. They do want to make prediction, but we talked about the stock market example. Past performance does not imply future performance, so the stock market goes up and down. We're not sure if this linear relationship holds when the data or someone weighs less than 100 pounds or more than 180 pounds. So I hope you found this video helpful for this first example.